Hi, my name is Abraham Michael, and my intended major is Computer Information Systems.
So to start, we have some data, which gives us counties, zip codes, cities, and some additional information. And to start, in B3, we're going to put a zip code 30009. And we're going to use the HLOOKUP function to find what city the zip code is in. And so to start, put enter HLOOKUP, do open paren, and then the first value is the lookup value. And that's the value that it's going to find first in the data. And we want that to be B3 because we want that to be the zip code. Next, we're going to select the data. And so we're going to start with the zip codes and select all the data. And you can either use your cursor and mouse to drag and get all the data, or you can hold shift and use the arrow keys. Next, you're going to put a comma, and then you're going to enter the row index number, and that's the row that the value you want the data to return is in. And so for us, the zip code starts row 1, so this row is row 1, and then the next row is the cities, which is row 2, and that's what we want. So I'm going to put a 2, and then I either put true, which is an approximate match, or false, which is an exact match. And so I'm going to put false because we want an exact match for this. And then close paren and click enter. And then it comes up with the city, Alpharetta. And then next, we're going to use XLOOKUP to find the county. And so to start, we're going to click enter, or I'm sorry, equal sign, XLOOKUP, open paren, and then the lookup value will again be B3. The lookup array for this will be the zip codes only, since we want it to search only the zip codes for the lookup value. And then put a comma. And then the return array will be the counties, since we're searching for the counties for each given zip code. After that, that's all you need. So close the parentheses and click enter, and it returns Fulton County. So next we're going to use the SUMIF function to find income for each zip code. And to start, we're going to put enter, SUMIF, open paren, and then for the range, we're going to select all of the data except for the labels in the B column. And then next, put a comma and then the criteria, and that's going to be what county we want the function to sum. And so since the county is going to change for each given zip code, we can't put a certain county in. So we're going to want to put B5 as our criteria, since that will always have the county we desire. And then put a comma, and then the next is what the values it wants us to sum. And we want to sum the income, so select all the values in the income, and then close paren and click enter. And here you can see it returns us a number. And if you go to the Home tab and change the custom format to number, or to currency actually, you can see it gives a little dollar sign. And then you can use this button here to decrease the decimal places. And then it looks a little nicer visually. And then lastly, we're going to do a custom sort to horizontally sort the counties from Z to A alphabetically. And so we're first going to select all the data. And then from here, you go to sort and filter in the home ribbon, custom sort. We wanted to sort row 10 since that was what the counties are in. And then change A to Z in order from Z to A. and press OK. And then also you can here change this zip code to any one of the given values. And I'm going to change it to 30274 and click enter. And as you can see, it changes the city to Riverdale and changes the county to Clayton County. And it also changes the income in each zip code. And this can be done for any of the zip codes in the data, and it will adjust all of the values accordingly. What do you call a security guard in bed?
Undercover.